Then when you go to the check, this is where the revolution is. Instead of manual audits or lengthy data analysis, we'll have dashboards that show us leading indicators in real time. AI could analyze thousands of safety observation reports to identify emerging trends that human would miss. Remote audits using drones or live videos give more frequent and less disruption snapshots, videos. So in the check, you can have, I saw actually in LinkedIn, there is a video that could identify someone is not putting on PPE. You send the data right to
Yes,
maybe the
yes, yes,
safety
yes.
manager.
Yeah.
Things like that. You could have this in place for smart systems in organizations, maybe in process safety, where you have organization. You can put these cameras right in place. All this technology make work easy. The statistics that I mentioned earlier in the Excel, you can have calculations that put up this information in one file and share it with your top managers. Why do you need to only share it with the HSE? You could have an email automatically sent to every department head, because an incident can happen in any department, not only in safety. So technology can do that immediately at the click of a button. Then finally, the act. Because of check phase is faster and richer, the act phase can be more proactive. Instead of waiting for quarterly review to fix a problem, the system could flag it immediately, triggering a predefined corrective action or alerting a manager. Now, when it comes to the app, we talked mostly about behavior-based safety. However, if you have such as the camera which identifies someone is not putting on the PPE, you could put in a siren in that system where an alarm sounds. Our client, something very interesting, they put video cameras in the vehicles, whereby if a driver is sleeping, it reminds the driver, please wake up, right there. So that is
Wow.
real-time action. So you will not have a driver sleeping off and knocking school children moving on the street, because immediately he's trying to doze off, his eyes closed, the system identifies that and wakes him up. So that is technology making our lives easy, making plan, do, check, act in real time. Thank you, Ronald.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much for that insightful answer. Now, as we come towards the end of this session, today we have explored the origins of the plan, do, check, act cycle, how it is applied in real organization, the mistakes companies make, and how leaders can use it to drive continuous improvement. So, Paul, if there is one simple PDCA habit every organization should start tomorrow or today to improve their safety and performance, what would it be? These are your parting shots.
Yeah, thank you, Ronald. Once again, thank you so much for this interesting chat. I've had so much fun. I like to share insight with like professionals, and the plan to check act is the baby I've been trying to do more research. I'm still learning quite a lot on it.